Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a pick a card reading for you, and this is regarding what your person is thinking about you, what are their current feelings for you. So this is set number 1, this is set number 2, and this is set number 3. So you just focus on whichever pile resonates with you or jumps out to you, whichever you feel drawn to. Okay, you can pause the video and just try to meditate and just see as to which pile you feel attracted to or drawn to and pick up that pile. Okay, and you can pause the video and do that and then listen to what the messages are for you. Okay, so let's start with pile number 1. Okay, so pile number 1, we have the moon, the 9 of wands, and the 9 of cups. Okay, so for those of you who have chosen pile number 1, see, there is a situation here. This person does not know perhaps what are your feelings for them. They don't know as to, do you really love them? What do you want from them? What do you expect from them? Do you really want to take this to another level? First of all, they really don't know even do you love them. That is one thing. Even if you love them, they may know, maybe they know about those feelings, but then maybe they don't know about the level of commitment or something like that. There is some sort of uncertainty or some sort of lack of clarity in the mind of this person regarding you. They really don't know as to what's in your heart. Maybe you are not opening up to them. Maybe you are not telling up the entire feelings. Maybe you are shy in opening up, or maybe because of some reason you are not opening up, or maybe that is your nature. So whatever the reason is, that is causing some sort of a confusion in the mind of this person, and this person is perhaps just waiting for you. This person is waiting from some sort of an action from your side, or some sort of an inclination, some sort of a gesture or from your side. Okay, so and what I feel here is that this situation is like this since a long time. If you are in a committed relationship, then maybe there is something else to it which is hidden from them, or they are not aware of. So definitely there is something this person doesn't know from your side regarding your emotional level or something like that. So I don't know what that is. It can be different for different people, but there is some lack of clarity from your side. If you feel that, no, I have told them, I have shown enough of my interest, but perhaps they have not understood that thing. So definitely this person is overall waiting for you. They are waiting from some sort of a gesture from your sides. There is something which is not clear to them. Okay, and even if you feel that you have made everything clear, but I think there is something to it that this person has not got that properly. Whatever it is, but definitely this person is waiting since a long, long time to clear what this is, whatever this is. Okay, and for the 9 of cups, so see, once this person gets the clarity, this person really views you as their wish fulfillment. They really know, just see the contrast of the energy. This person really loves you. They really see you as their wish fulfillment. They really feel that you are their dream come true. Okay, so what I feel here is that if you are able to clear whatever this is in your life to them, then this person will be able to make the right decision or right move, so that uh, you feel emotionally happy and content, because that is their goal. They really want to make you happy. So let's see, why is this moon card here for? So for the moon card, we have the 5 of swords, the star, and the knight of wands. So definitely there is some sort of a confusion, maybe some sort of a fight or argument has been there. Though there is a lot of passion in this relationship, maybe even though they view you as their dream come true, you are their wish fulfillment. That is 100% sure. With the star and the 9 of cups, you are their dream come true. They really have a lot of passion for you, but there is something which is definitely bothering them. Okay, you really have to clear this thing to them, whatever this situation is, that you love them, or if there is something else which has to be cleared, that you have to clear to them. So in spite of their having a lot of emotions for you, in spite of their viewing you as their dream come true, this person is not able to make a move just because something is not clear to them. Let's see, why is this 9 of wands here for? So for the Nine of Wands, we have the Sun, the Ace of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. So definitely there is a lot of anxiety here. This person is really very happy. They really want a new beginning with you. This person wants to make you happy. This person really wants that this relationship to come into fruition and the dream should come true. Both of you should be happy. They want a new beginning with you. But I think maybe there is a fight. There has been some fight or an argument between both of you with the Five of Swords being there, which is causing a lot of anxiety. And this person wants a new beginning, and it's been a long time that they are waiting from. Maybe they want to reconcile and you are not doing it, or something like that. Maybe there has been some issue which is causing a lot of anxiety on this person's part. Okay, they really want a new beginning. They really want happiness in this relationship, and it's been a long time on this person's side that they are waiting and waiting and waiting. The thing is, they are also getting anxious. They are also sort of getting restless as to what should be done, because things are not really clear to them, or perhaps they are not in their own hands as to how to proceed. Maybe both of you have to obviously sort it out if there is something like that. Why is this Nine of Cups here for? So for the Nine of Cups, yes, we have the Eight of Swords, the King of Cups, and the Five of Cups. So definitely, even though there is a wish fulfillment, even though everything is happy, everything can be happy, the only thing is only you people can sort out the issue. Okay, in spite of having a lot of emotions with the King of Cups, the thing here is with the Eight of Swords and the Five of Cups, definitely somebody here is very very upset. They really don't know what to do. They are not even able to come out of this and make a move. They are just waiting, because perhaps their hands are tied. They don't even know what to do, because maybe you have to take the call, and that is what they are just looking up to you as to what will you decide. Maybe the decision is in your hands, and that is what they don't know, what you will decide, what you will do, because maybe the game now is in your hand as to how this relationship should progress forward. So once you are able to make that move and give them that clarity, then they will be able to restore happiness in this relationship. Okay, so that's all for pile number one, those of you who chose pile number one. Okay, so let's see what is there for pile number two. Three of Swords, the Knight of Swords, and the Chariot. So I think you are, this person feels that they have hurt you, or somebody has hurt you. You are in a very painful, and there is some sort of heartbreak over here in this situation. You are in pain, you are in agony, you are very very upset, and this person is really rushing in, at least wanting to do that really fast to help you out. They want to heal your heart. They do not want to hurt you. If you feel that they have hurt you, if this Three of Swords is because of them, they are ready to come in towards you. They are ready to rush in towards you to mend it. They are ready to do anything to make this relationship move forward. They are ready to take back the control of the relationship. They are really wanting to rush in to heal your agonizing heart. Whatever the reason for this agony is, whatever the reason for the heartbreak and pain is, this person is really feeling very very impulsive, and they are rushing in towards you because they cannot see you upset. They cannot see you crying. They cannot see the pain in your eyes. That is why this person has an urge to really rush in towards you, and that is what they are doing. They want the control in the relationship. Okay, they really want things to be okay. They really want things to move forward. They do not want this relationship to end at any cost, for whatever the reason is. If there has been some misunderstanding, they are rushing in to clear it, because they want everything to be okay. Let's see, why is this Three of Swords here for? So for the Three of Swords, we have the King of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Four of Swords. So what I feel here is there was a lot of passion over here in this relationship. Everything was fine, but I think something changed over here. Something happened which caused this heartbreak. This person is wanting to heal. They are trying to heal. Things are changing for the better. Things will be okay. Okay, but something has really troubled this person. They are now focusing on healing themselves. Let us see what the additional messages are. What this is actually. Let's see, why is this Knight of Swords here for? So for the Knight of Swords, we have the Six of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, and the Queen of Cups. So definitely there is a heartbreak here from which this person is trying to heal. Okay, even though everything started perhaps in a very very passionate way, but something over here happened between perhaps both of you which has hurt the other person. They are ready to amend it, they are ready to heal your broken heart, they want things to change over here, they really want, they're rushing into with the Six of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, and the Queen of Cups. They want to make peace with you. They really do not want this fight or this situation to be there for long. They are wanting and making an effort to rush in towards you to clear the things, whatever it was, and clear the misunderstanding. They want everything, peace to be restored in this relationship. No matter how much the confusion is, no matter how much the misunderstanding is, this person is really rushing in towards you to remove that misunderstanding and to help you out to get the answer for this pain, so that you are somehow able to come out of this pain. Okay, so definitely there are a lot of emotions in this person's heart, and from the place of a lot of emotions, they really want to help you out in this situation and to heal you if if you are upset because of them or for whatever reason. Let's see, why is this Chariot here for? So for the Chariot, we have the Six of Cups, the Fool, and the Page of Cups. So definitely this person is trying to restore the balance. They want everything to be okay. They want things to have that same love and affection as it was before. They are ready to take the leap of faith. They are ready to offer their love once again. They are ready for a new beginning here with the Fool and the Page of Cups. So this person definitely wants things to be okay. They want to mend things, and whatever the differences have occurred between both of you, this person wants to amend it. They want that reconciliation. They want those happy times back. They are really wanting things to be okay, and that is what they are making an effort to amend things. That is why they want to rush towards you. So it is a beautiful reading for those of you who've chosen pile number 2. Let us see for the pile number 3. The High Priestess, the Three of Pentacles, and the Two of Cups. So definitely it is talking about a relationship over here between the two people. And what I feel here is with the High Priestess, initially this person is perhaps not making a move. Somebody here is deciding as to what should they do. Should they make a move or not? So this person is being in touch with their intuition, trying to listen to their inner voice. They are not making a move. This person is not even perhaps opening up to you. This person is not even telling you how they feel about you. What is their next move? What do they plan to do? Do they plan to commit or not? They are not opening up at all. This person is just thinking as to what should be done. And with the Three of Pentacles, they are perhaps trying to take an opinion from their family, their friends, or maybe they even want to talk to you. Okay, so before making a decision, this person wants to perhaps know more about you or discuss more about you, and sort of it's like have enough information before making a commitment. Okay, they want to know it all before making a move and before making a commitment to you. That's what I feel. Let's see what that is. So let's see, why is this High Priestess here? So for the High Priestess, we have the Seven of Swords, the Ace of Wands, and the Three of Swords. So definitely this person has been dealing with some sort of a cheating and manipulation over here. With the Ace of Wands, this person wants a new beginning, but the thing is that they have a broken heart. They are done with the cheating and all. They are in a state of agony. This person is totally heartbroken. Okay, they want a new beginning in their life. They do not want to deal with the cheating and manipulation type of a thing, and that is why this person is thinking hard before making a move. It's not easy for this person to make a new move or move in a new direction, because they really want to think about it 100 times before committing. Okay, let's see, why is this Three of Pentacles here for? For the Three of Pentacles, again we have the Two of Cups, the Temperance, and the Knight of Swords. So definitely there is a connection over here regarding which the decision has to be made. Okay, and that is why this person is gathering perhaps enough information because they do not want to make a wrong decision. With the Knight of Swords, the Two of Cups, the Temperance, and the Knight of Swords, this person, even though they feel impulsive to move towards you, they will not do it. They will moderate the situation. They will have all the information. They want to take a wise and a balanced decision. This doesn't even, I think, even though they may feel that impulsive move towards you, but I really don't feel that this person will make any rash move or an impulsive move, to be precise. Let's see, why is this Two of Cups here for? So for the Two of Cups, we have the Knight of Cups, the Magician, and the Five of Wands. So definitely there is some sort of a confusion over here in making up the mind. But yes, this person is definitely trying to clear the confusion. If there is some sort of a disagreement, maybe they are not able to convince you for the commitment. Maybe they are not able to convince you because you are shying away from commitment, perhaps, or taking it slow, not opening up with the High Priestess being there. So, but this person is ready to be show you their love or opening up to you. This person is really sort of proposing you. They are wants to manifest this new beginning. Definitely with the Five of Wands, definitely there are some disagreements. It's not easy for them. It is hard task, but definitely yes, this person is ready to manifest this new connection with you. So that's all I have for pile number 3. So hope it helps, and thanks for being here. Bye.